We're here at Martin Family Farms. There's going to be 88 of these steers. All these steers have been home raised. They've had 2 rounds of Bova Show Gold. They've had their Vision 7. Just a fancy set of steers. By sale time, they will be weighing 615 pounds. All these steers are weighed individually. We should be dead on our weights. Cattle have not been implanted. They're getting about 8 pounds of pellet feed per day. These cattle will not be fat. That'll be just a grass flesh. Again, there's 88 of them, weighing 615 pounds. We can sort one load out of them. These are all M-frame cattle. They're all Angus base cattle. Carry at least 75 to 85% Angus. The other part will be Continental Gelbvieh. But you won't be but 25 to 10% of it in each calf. These calves were started out and weaned. Been weaned well over 60 days now off their mama. So you see here they are bump broke. Right now they're getting about 8 pounds of pellet feed per head per day. Jeffrey has just started that lately. Coming from Martin Family Farm, Mr. Carlton and Mr. Jeffrey Martin, to be sold on the January max sale.